Speaking English is all about continuous practicing. I am again saying, speaking English is all about practicing continuously. If you want to speak in English better, you have to practice continuously, because without practicing speaking you never gain fluency. So if you want to speak in English, you have to practice so much with mouth, because if you don't train your voice muscle, you never gain fluency. So you have to train your voice muscle with English sound. So I will highly recommend to you, please, if you want to speak in English, train your voice muscles. And for doing these things, you can record your own voice with your mobile phone, and after recording you can listen to your own voice. When you listen your own voice, that time you can improve your pronunciation, because that time you can understand where you are doing mistakes or where you are doing wrong pronunciation. So I would highly recommend to you, if you want to speak in English better, record your own voice with your mobile phone, and after recording try to listen your own voice. It will help you so much to improve your pronunciation, and it will help you so much to make or to create better sound in English. So try to speak in English and try to record your own voice with your mobile phone. It will help you so much. I will highly recommend you, if you want to speak in English, start speaking from day one, because if you don't make sound with your mouth, you never gain fluency in speaking English. So I will highly recommend you, please start speaking from day one. It will help you so much to gain fluency so fast. And try to take notes what kinds of thing you are learning in your journey. Means what kinds of new things, new vocabulary, new grammar rules, new sentences. Try to take notes, those all kinds of things on a particular notebook. It will help you so much to review later what kinds of thing you are writing on your notebook. It will help you so much to revise or review later or in future. So I will highly recommend you, if you want to speak in English, start speaking from day one and try to record your own voice with your mobile phone, and try to listen your own voice, because when you listen your own voice, at that time you can understand where you are doing mistakes, where you are making mistakes, and that time you can improve your sound, and that time you can correct your pronunciation, and that time you can create or make better sound in English. So do this thing if you want to speak in English, if you want to express your thoughts in English. So do these simple steps. It will help you so much to speak English better. It will help you so much to feel confident and comfortable in speaking English.